Hi, I'm Ava from the UTS support team. Today, we will be going over on how to add, modify, and delete user on Hikvision OEM NVR's web interface. Now, let's get started. First, go to the web interface of the NVR and log in to the system default administrator account, admin. Note that only the admin account has the privilege to add, modify, or delete users. Once logged in, verify that the cameras are working under the live preview. Then, go to the playback menu to verify that the cameras are recording properly and we are able to play back the videos. To add user, we are going to go to Configuration. Once we are in the configuration page, go to System, then click on User Management. As you can see, under User Management, we currently only have the default admin account in the user list. Now, click on Add to create a new user. On the top section under Username, we are going to call this New User New One. And keep everything in lowercase, without space. This is to avoid unnecessary confusion to the end user, as the username is case sensitive. Under Level, you have two options, Operator and Guest. Those are different permission templates that we can quickly choose to apply to the user's account. Guest template has very basic Live View and Playback permissions. Operator has higher level permissions such as PTZ control. In this video, we will use the operator template and strip down the permission as we go. Now, type the admin account password in the admin password section. Then, in the password section, type the password for the new user account that we are creating and confirm the password in the confirm password section. To keep your new user account secure, make sure you choose a strong password. It needs to be between 8 and 16 characters long and should include at least two of the following: numbers, lowercase letters, uppercase letters, or special symbols. Also, avoid using the username 123 admin, any sequence of 3 or more numbers in a row like 567 or 987A, or any repeated characters like AAA. On the section below, this is where we can modify user accounts permissions. As you can see over here, we have local permissions and remote permission. Local permission is the user account permission under the local live view. Remote permission is for user permission over the network, such as access through browser, the Guarding Vision app, and the client software. So, for local permission, if you have a monitor directly connected to the NVR, when you click on Local Live View, you will have options to restrict users' permissions on which camera's live view this user can see. Same goes with other local and remote operation permissions, such as playback. Log search, manual operation, PTZ control, and video export. Now, let's try and give this user remote permission to only have access to Camera One's remote live view, download, and playback. Once the permissions are set, click OK to create the new user. As you can see, the new user had been successfully created. Now, let's log out from the admin account and log in as the new user to test user permissions. Since we had only given live view and playback permissions of the first camera to this user account, the user will not be able to see live view or playback of any other cameras. Now, let's go to Configuration System, then User Management. Note that this new user can only see its own account. And when the user tries to edit the account, the only permissions this user has are modifying account password and viewing the permissions assigned to this account. Now, let's log out of this account and log back in as admin to remove this account. Once logged in as admin, go to Configuration, System, then User Management. Select the user that we'd like to delete. In this case, it's the user account called New One. Then click on Delete. You will then be prompted to put in the admin password. Type in the admin password and click on OK to delete the user. This concludes our video tutorial. For more videos like this, please visit our website at utsgroup.ca or visit our YouTube channel. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.